Hello, I created my own collection of shells. I called it artifacts. So the first one artifacts is a sand artifact. I will pull of candles here. It will be candles. So the next one, it's a pearl artifact. So you see inside, it's a natural pearls here. The next one, it's a plant artifact. The next one, it's a gold artifact. Here is a gold inside. Next one is a silver. Next one is a black stone. Next one, this is avatar artifact. Here is a secret. When you turn on the light, you see some blue colors inside this shell. And the last one is a stone from other planet. It burning a little green light when you in the darkness. That's it. The green light stone and two eyes, and like two eyes and mouth. Some creature live in this shell.